I feel so discouraged. I feel like I'm bad at manifesting. I've done all the work, and my desires are still not here. Am I just bad at manifesting? Everyone else can do it but me. What's wrong with me? It's so frustrating. Everyone else seems to master it. So why can't I? I'm doing the work but not seeing the results. How long do I have to do this? It's exhausting. I've tried every technique and I'm still stuck in the same place. Maybe manifesting is just not for me. I guess I'm the special exception to the law of attraction and the law of assumption, and all the other universal laws. My programming might be broken. Even though I have all these negative beliefs about manifesting, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. Holding on to these beliefs are not helping me. They're keeping me even more stuck. So I choose to release them. And I'm opening myself up to new possibilities. I'm letting go of all this frustration and doubt, releasing this fear of feeling stuck. If manifesting can work for other people, it can fucking work for me too. Maybe I haven't actually been consistent with my practices. Maybe I have not been persistent with my desires. I've been focusing on the wrong things. But today I choose to focus on everything that's possible. It's possible for me to create a new reality. I know this works because it works for everyone else. And to be honest, I have manifested many things before. Maybe I haven't been conscious of it, but now that I think of it, I've always been a master manifester. Everything has always worked out for me. Even in the moments where it felt so challenging, things still always worked out. Maybe not in the way I thought it would, but it still worked out. And many times, even for the better. So I declare that I'm a master manifester. I'm deciding that manifesting is so easy. I attract what I desire with ease. I'm a powerful creator of my reality. All I have to do is be consistent with my imagination. I'm so grateful that my imagination is free. Anytime I feel discouraged, I just have to go back and imagine my dream life. I no longer doubt my manifestation skills. I am a master manifestor. I always get what I want all the time. I'm sealing this belief within me now. In every cell of my being. I'm a powerful master manifestor. I always get exactly what I desire.